Kennedy, thank you. You could say that. Tell me you don't want to eat. Yeah. Think it's easy to make food?
No.
Hmm? Do you know how much time it took me to cook this?
Forever.
Hmm? And you're telling me you don't want to eat? Then what do you want to eat?
The egg.
Nothing.
You better eat.
Which
Can you imagine? After cooking, this boy is telling me he don't want to eat.
road.
You don't want to eat rice. You think it's every time pizza.
Pizza.
But that's why you say you don't want to eat. But you want to eat pizza.
Nothing.
Yeah, because you were eating pizza the other day, and you were like,
You cannot be eating pizza. Okay? This is delicious rice I made. Jollof rice. It tastes so good.
it's good, but the only problem with it because it's too hot.
What do you mean it's so hot?
Spicy.
This is hot. This is hot.
No,
Because that's
not
what you're saying.
I mean by spicy, but if it's too hot to eat it.